Good morning. We are very excited to kick off the 2022 Howard L. Bost Memorial Health Policy Forum. I'm Ben Chandler, President and CEO of the Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky. We're glad you're here with us as we take a deep dive into education as a cornerstone in the lifelong health outcomes of our fellow Kentuckians. We all know things like eating well, being physically active, getting enough sleep, and getting regular medical checkups are keys to living healthy lives. But there are upstream factors, social drivers of health, that influence a person's ability to live a healthy life. These include economic stability, built environment, healthcare access, and quality social fact, and education. Education is more than what happens between the four walls of a school building. It's more than life skills or workforce training. Education gives people the tools they need to thrive. Research shows people with higher levels of education are more likely to live healthier and longer. They're also more likely to get safe, higher paying jobs and less likely to have chronic health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Today, our presenters will lay out the situation, dive into the issues, look for potential solutions, and share how Kentucky communities are working to lift up individuals and families to better achieve their academic potential and live healthier lives. The Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky is proud to offer the annual Howard L. Bost Forum, and we thank you for being here with us today. Now, I'd like to welcome our board chair, Dr. Cliff Miyasaka. Cliff.
Thank you, Ben. Good morning. It's been my honor to serve as the board chair for the directors for the Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky, and I'm proud to welcome all of you here today. Healthy Kentucky works to find ways to improve the long-term health of Kentuckians by focusing on access to healthcare, tobacco use reduction, children's health, obesity, diabetes, prevention and mitigation. We do that using research and data, demonstration projects and best practices as the evidence behind recommendations to decision makers. We listen to stakeholder groups to understand the real needs of Kentuckians and empower individuals, grassroots partnerships and collaborations to make real change in their communities. And we reach out to our networks, as well as community, business, and elected leaders to spur action that will positively impact Kentuckians. Here's why. Kentuckians live shorter lives and have lower quality of life as compared to other Americans due to their health and their individual and environmental factors. But today, we're here to go upstream and find ways to change the trajectory of our long-term health of Kentuckians by considering how education is part of the puzzle. The Howard L. Bost Memorial Health Policy Forum was created in memory of Dr. Howard L. Bost. He was a notable health economist and founding member of the Foundation's board of directors. We are so glad that you're here to examine this important factor in the health of Kentuckians, and we encourage you to consider what you learned today and take action to improve the situation of your neighbors and community members. Together, we can move mountains. Now I'd like to introduce Tim Markham, Associate Vice President for Planning for Baptist Health and the Chair of the Foundation's Community Advisory Council for a very special presentation. Tim?
Thank you, Cliff. I'm very happy to be here this morning. Not only because this is going to be a productive day where we learn innovative strategies and inspiring approaches to lifting up educational opportunities in our communities, but I have the distinct pleasure of presenting the Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky's Gil Friedell Memorial Health Policy Champion Award. The Friedell Award is named after the first director of the Markey Cancer Center at the University of Kentucky and co-founder of the Kentucky Cancer Registry, Dr. Gil Friedell. Dr. Friedell helped launch a nonprofit advocacy education organization in 2005 that later became the Friedell Committee for the Health System Transformation. In 2018, the foundation united with the Friedell Committee and created the award in his honor. The Friedell Award winner is selected from each year's class of Healthy Kentucky Champions, a program that recognizes Kentucky individuals making a difference in the health of their communities or the Commonwealth. The 2022 class of Healthy Kentucky Champions includes Dr. Patricia Batista Cervera from La Casita Center in Louisville, Eric Crawford of Maysville with the Kentuckians for Medical Marijuana, Terry Durkee from the Kentucky Diabetes Network, Denise Hall with the Trimble Cares Coalition in Trimble County, Michelle Howell, co-owner of Needs More Acres Farm in Scottsville, Dr. Patrick Kitzman, founding director of the Kentucky Appalachian Rural Rehabilitation Network, and Mark Thomas, superintendent of Todd County Schools, for his work on a partnership with the Todd County Health Department to address students' health needs. And the winner of the 2022 Gil Friedell Memorial Health Policy Champion Award is Denise Hall from the Trimble Cares Coalition. Denise has been working in the substance use prevention field for nearly 25 years. Her passion and dedication to prevent the youth in her community from becoming addicted to drugs and providing families resources are exemplary. Her work and leadership provides support to youth to be able to make positive, healthy choices. Congratulations, Denise.
Thank you. Thank you so much to the Foundation for Healthy Kentucky. But this is not anything that I did by myself. On this whole journey of working with children and with our community, I have never been alone on this journey. I have worked with 7 County Services, Trimble Cares Coalition, the Prevention Division for the state of Kentucky. I have just tried to do all that I can for our children. And like I say, everybody has been a part of this, and I can't take this without acknowledging that it's not all what I did. So I thank you very much, and it's an honor. I'm grateful and I'm blessed, and I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Denise, and congratulations. Again, the $5,000 grant awarded in your name will go to the Trimble Cares Coalition to continue your great work. Nominations are currently being accepted for Healthy Kentucky Champions. Head to healthy-kentucky.org to learn more and nominate someone from your community. Now I'd like to invite Allison Adams, Vice President of Policy for the Foundation of a Healthy Kentucky, to the podium. Allison.
Thank you, Tim. Hi, everyone. I'm Allison Adams, Vice President for Policy with the Foundation for Healthy Kentucky. I'm going to share with you a few housekeeping details before our session starts. If you haven't used the Zoom event format before, there is a chat box in the lobby where we will put any information and updates and announcements. The sessions will all be streamed in the lobby, but we encourage everyone to use the join option for each session so you get the best experience. By clicking join, you will have access to the Q&A where you can type your questions for our wonderful speakers today. We will send a message in the lobby chat when each session is starting, so you will know when the option to join is available. Once you have joined the session, if you would like to see closed captions, click the live transcript option at the bottom of your screen. If you have any technical troubles today, you can put any questions in the lobby chat and we will do our very best to help you. With that, I hope everyone enjoys all of our sessions today, and our first one, Making the Case for Funding Education and Beyond, will begin in just a moment.